remember. Like, and the thing is, I'm trying to figure out, how do I grow? How do I grow? How do I get the views, and how do I get the more subscribers? As much I know it's growing, but I would like for it to grow a lot more.
AJ, I'm gonna let you go there. I'm concerned about your thumbnails. We'll go, AJ. I want to hear what he's gonna say.
I was gonna say that, and I'm getting ready to pull up one of your videos real quick. So I'm looking at some of your key tags right now, like your most recent one.
You want to show your screen, AJ? You want me to bring yours up?
Yeah, I'll do that.
All right.
So let me
bring you in. Keywords. Did you say keywords, AJ?
Yeah.
This is some powerful shit, dude.
All right, you can see me now?
Yeah.
All right, so like right here, I see your keywords right here. So you're talking about dry fast. So what I would do here, first off, if you don't have like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, get that, because that will help you get this breakout that you see on Chris's and on my page right now. So it'll analyze what you're doing.
Got to have
so when I'm looking at your stuff right now, I can click here and show rankings.
Yeah, I got vidIQ, the basic one. I didn't.
Yeah, I mean, no, the basic still works. So you don't have to pay for this. But right now, Healing Through Inspiration, of course, you're going to be #1 for that because that's your name. Right. But everything else, nothing else that you have right now is getting any ranking. So people are not going to find you unless they dig down. But right now it says cure heart disease. So what I would do is how to _ and then, or actually just do _ heart.
Why _ AJ?
_ will give you everything that anybody is actually looking for. Wow. It's like a wild card. So right now, by me just doing _ heart disease, this is what everybody is looking for right now related to heart disease. Now you can put that _ anywhere. So you can do how to, and now these are the keys: how to prevent heart disease, how to cure heart disease, how to treat heart disease. What I would do, take every single one of these tags and put them in your tags for your video.
Okay. See, what I was doing before, because sometimes I just, since I upload like every single day, it's like I do it off my phone a lot. I would just go to like Google, like the Google search, and go all the way to the bottom, and that just lets you know the highest search things, and I would just paste them into there as make as my tags.
Well, see, that's your long tail, but you need to have short ones as well too. The idea is, first off, when somebody looks up, if I was to give you a goal, your goal would be when anybody's looking up healing and inspiration, not through, because that's a common word, anywhere where there's healing and inspiration, they should find you. And when they find you, they should find healing and inspiration. And you want to grow around a keyword to where obviously Healing Through Inspiration should be a tag everywhere in your video, or your brand, whatever you decide to name it, and then devy all that stuff off of that. And then you're looking for when, like, for example, when you're talking about 10 dry fast and no food water with watermelon, stuff like that, whatever that title is, I would say change that title into answering a question.
Keywords.
So it's like, how do I dry fast for 10 days? And then you can put whatever else you want, because the question is what people are looking for, an answer to a question. No one is not really looking for breaking Dr. Seba 10 dry fat. Nobody's looking for that. You want to find people where they're at. So even if your content is great, it's like, how can I design this to make it when people see like Chris was getting ready to probably talk about, your thumbnail as well as the title, you're going to get sold. You're going to sell them right there.